Lavalier. First item that I bought was actually this. So it's a new phone. It is a Huawei Nova 5T phone, and I call her Galaxy because, as you can see, she looks like her color is like the galaxy. And I bought her for 16K. This isn't really a like flagship phone. It is a flagship killer phone, but this is just a mid-range phone. So as I mentioned, it cost 16K. It was originally priced at 19K, I believe, but I just bought this was released last year and I just bought it this year. I'm going to put all of the links of the items that I bought in the description below, so that if you do like any of the things that I've shown you in this video, you can definitely buy them because they're definitely not expensive. The next item that I bought would be this guy right here. So this is the Naya Q2 Bluetooth headphones, and the reason why I bought this is because I do not like wires. So whenever I'm trying to do edits and I pee a lot, I don't know if that's TMI, but I pee a lot because I drink water a lot. And so when I want to pee, I would not want to just like take off my headphones. So I bought these wireless ones so that I can just put it in my over ear like that, and if I need to pee, then I just go ahead and run and get back to my desk and still have this thing in my head, and I don't have to worry. This is really good. I bought this for 400 pesos, and for 400 pesos it is a good buy. This one, so it's a dongle. I don't know how to do that stuff, but anyways, this is a data transmission micro USB-C adapter for that comes with a 2-in-1. Eek. Oi. There. Oops. Can you see it? This is another phone, by the way, so I don't have that autofocus thingamajiggy, but you can connect like a USB device. See, I still have, like, this is really old, like really old. I think 6 years old. This is CDR King USB. But you can essentially like connect this one here, and then you can connect it here, and you can use this as an external device. How do I use this? This is actually very awesome. So I use the C port because my Huawei phone is a C port. And I actually use, it's not here. I bought this for 162 pesos at a different store than this one and my headset. The next item that I bought would be this one here. So this is a Type C, and that one. So Type C to 3.5 millimeter jack earphone cable USB. So the reason why I bought this is because I needed something to connect any like headset or audio device over to my phone, because this guy did not come with a dongle or audio jack, so I had to use this and just connect this one here. And if you have like a jack, this one for example, you can just connect it there and you can use it for this. The next device that I bought, or gadget, is actually this guy right here. So he is, I don't know his gender right now. He is a beaut, and he is tall. This guy is tall, so I forgot the height. I'm going to show it on the screen. But this guy is really tall, and I initially wanted like a tripod with like a wider leg tripod, but the one that I like costs almost 2,000, and I didn't really want to go above that amount because I already bought this, which is very costly. This retails for 711 pesos. So it used to be 1,422, and the price went off 50%, and so I was able to buy it for 711 pesos. And it's so long, and it's very, very useful to me because sometimes I want to film standing up, especially when I'm doing like speeches for my Toastmaster events, online events. We tend to stand up when delivering speeches, so this really comes in handy. It just feels like it's good quality. So this is a really good buy if you want to, or you're thinking about buying a tripod. You might consider this one. This is really pretty, really good. Anywho, the next item that I bought is this baby right here. So this is the actual device isn't really new. I think I bought it last year, but I guess it's also like a good thing to mention. This is my Boya lapel. Oops, there's a lot of hairs from this furry creature. This is really good. This works well with your smartphone as well as a DSLR device. I just use this for my smartphone. That was the reason why I bought like this guy here. So I can connect it like that and connect it to my phone, and then use this lav mic on my phone. And I forgot how much I bought it for. I think I bought it around 700 pesos, and I bought it last December. This furry creature, like, here is a clip-on lavalier microphone windscreen furry windshield mic muff. So the purpose of this guy right here is it's supposed to like catch all of the unnecessary noises, especially if you're going to go outside and it's windy, so it catches all that like wind whoosh, whoosh, whoosh stuff, so it doesn't get into your audio. So the next item that I bought is this one right here. This is a portable smartphone video rig handheld phone stabilizer grip cage with handle. You can just put it like here, like that. Oops. And then you can just put your phone here like that. And then you can just use that to do like vlogging outside. Or another like thing that you can do with a handle, you can put it here at the side. Oops. And it has this screw, right? And you put it here at the side, like so. And again, put your phone in the middle, and then you can just use this. Oops. 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 So there are endless things that you can do, endless, 3 times of connection that you can do. You can even, what I actually do is I connect it to my tripod here, like that, and I connect the rest of my like other devices add-ons here at the side. So I'm going to show you those add-ons. So these are from the brand Endure, and I've always seen them in like photo shoots, the Endure brand, so I thought that they would be good, and they are the best. They're made of really good quality, and I've been using this for like a few videos already, and I haven't charged them once. So these are chargeable. There's another like version of these that you can't charge them, but you can put batteries in them. However, I really don't like buying a lot of batteries, and the rechargeable batteries that we do have here takes so long to finish charging, so I preferred having these one right here that you can just charge with a Type-C wire cord USB thing. I hope your eyes will get like, it's really, really bright, and that is just like the mid-bright setting. If I put it like on full bright, yeah, so that happened. Yeah, so I bought them for 640 pesos. Really good deal as well. And again, it came with the I bought this at the same shop as where I bought these, most of the items that I have here now. Yeah, and you just put this soft box here. So what this guy essentially does is it diffuses the light so it's not too harsh on your face if it's just right in front of you. So this is like the full light with the light box or soft box, and this is the light without the soft box. So as you can see, like, yeah. And even if you like tone the light down, put it on medium, this one is still, well, softer. Thus the name softbox, because it softens the light and it doesn't look like my face is it doesn't look like I'm on interrogation. Okay. So this one right here, this is called a double flash bracket 1/4 mounting screw for speed light video light. Bought this for 137 pesos, but this is a pair. However, I don't know where the other thingy like this one is. I think I may have misplaced it or I accidentally threw it away. Either way, this is the only one that I'm currently using. I thought that I was going to need two, but right now I just use one. So most of the things that I've shown you as my new gadgets or my haul came from one store because I wanted to save up on shipping. So one of the things that you must definitely check on when buying online is to check if the store has other stuff that they're selling that you might want to buy. So it actually took me a while to go through the list of the products that were available on that particular store, but I was able to, I think that was time well spent as I got to save a ton of money from shipping fee. Oh, and there's one more. I'm not, I think this is like a shoe stuff. So yes, this one as well. I forgot the price. I will just put it in the screen. But yeah, that is it.